Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Georgia B, if you're new here. And today I actually have some grants. This is for any business type. There is no deadline to these business grants that I'm going to be talking about. And I'm going to show you guys something that I have shown you guys before, but I feel like I haven't shown the back office portion. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I have heard you guys talk about, the struggle that you're having with finding business grants and things like that. So this is a great resource where you can basically find a grant writer and search for grants specifically. I've given other websites in the past, government grant websites and things like that, where you can, filter by the category. But I feel like this one is going to be a lot better, a lot easier. And again, this is something you can use from July, the entire 2023. So July, August, September, October, November, December, and even into 2024. So if you're seeing this website is still going to be of great use to you. It's called Open Grants. And this particular website, it allows you to find grant writers, and it also allows you to search for grants, right? So based on your area, based on your category of business and things like that. And so on the site, which I just want to go over really quick, it says to upgrade your grant search strategy, right? And I always talk about strategy on this channel. Like, you need to have a strategy in order to be successful. So in this case, you're looking for funding for your business. They explain it as a grant search engine and marketplace of independent grant consultants. They tell you over 5,500 plus open opportunities, 750 billion plus US grants funded in 2022, and then 1,200 plus sources available. And just so you know, this website is free. This particular website, they do have a paid version, which I'll show you, is about $20. I believe if it's billed annually, and $20 if it's billed annually, $30 if it's billed monthly. But the version I'm going to be showing you is the free version. So that's something you definitely want to check out. So they basically explain to you how it works. You sign up, you create your organization. It's going to take you through a questionnaire to get a better idea about what your business is about. And this is also good too, because if grant writers reach out to you to be a grant writer for, a grant that you want, they can also give you resources as well. So I think that's a great thing. And then they tell you to get matched to grants or search on your own, hire an expert. You do have to pay for the grant writer, so that's not going to be free. And it looks like for the grant writers, it's paid per hour. So you definitely will want to go into details to see how that would be. But remember, you have to think about it as like an investment. And these are not simple grant applications. So this is, large amounts of money if you're trying to get for your business, compared to like how I usually show Hello Alice and things like that on my channel. Those you can do on your own. You don't need to hire a grant writer when it comes to like a Hello Alice type of grant application. But these are more specialized. But also remember, the benefit is that there's not as much competition, right? Because people are not going to go above and beyond to hire grant writers and do these things to give them the best chance to be hired, be approved for a grant. And this could be a government grant, of federal grant, whatever the case might be. So they say learn as you go. So they have free guides and webinars to fuel your funding journey. So I think this is a great resource. This is the cost that I was talking about. So the free version, you can search grant database, you can hire grant writers, and you get the resources and guides. For the pro, the $29 a month, it comes with those things I just mentioned. Plus you get flag grants, you get email alerts. It says take notes, power search, export results, and personalized matching. And this is for the monthly option. But if you pay annually, you would pay $19 a month. So I did register an account. I never set up anything. That's just why it says no organization. But once you set up an organization, it's going to show your organization name right here, or you can go right here and click on create organization. So on the left-hand side, they have these tabs available. And so they have Grant Finder, Hire Experts, which is where you'll find the grant writers, My Projects, which it looks like you can create a project based on, a particular amount of funding, timeline, things like that you're looking to do. And then the invoice and hours is what I was talking about as far as how much they charge for the grant writers, right? Because it looks like you're going to be paying per hour. And then they have save grant. So any grant that you see, when you save it, this is where you would go and then to edit your profile. So I want to show you guys for the grant finder, which I think is probably one of the most important portions of this particular website. So on the other website that I've shown you guys, like grants.gov, where you have to filter, this one is a lot better and simpler because you have two features. This is the paid feature here. If you can see, you can pretty much filter by state. And I'll do another video on that as well. So I probably end up paying for it and just showing you guys. But you can filter by state. You can filter by the organization or the agency, the government agency. And then you can filter by city. You can filter by cities and things like that. You want to search the most broad type of topic within your business category, right? So let's say, for example, you have a nonprofit. I would say just type in nonprofit, and then it gives you 233 results, right? I think that's amazing. Obviously, you would still have to go through and find, the ones that you would qualify for, but I think this is a great tool to have. Let's say you want to do something in fashion. I just went here and typed in fashion. It gave me 8 results, right? You still have to, like I said, go through and see what the details are. But I think this is a great resource to have. Remember that you're going to look up the grants here. And then once you do find something, you can save them as well. You can also view the grants. And so, for example, this one is the Entrepreneurship in Arts and Creative Industries. $100,000 is what's being awarded, due July 30th, 2023. Match required? No. Okay, so they say add notes. I know that was a paid feature. Add notes. So it looks like you can put your own personal notes that you found here. That way you can have them all in one place. And then they detail the information here. Then you can save, which is the place where I told you you can find the save grants. If you want to copy the link and send it to somebody or send it to yourself, then you can do that as well for whatever reason. Here they have the hired experts. So here's where you're going to be finding the grant writers that would be assisting you with your grant applications. Because remember, these applications are very specialized. So I hope I'm not rambling on too much here. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my ebook, The Business Credit Finesse, how I was able to open up my party store using only business credit. And that allows you, if you're looking for funding for your business, to put yourself in the driver's seat and fund your business, because business credit is guaranteed. Yes, it can be a process, but why not do something that's guaranteed while you look for the grants for your business? And business credit can go anywhere from 50,000 to lots of money, millions, right? So definitely go ahead and check that out. I will be doing 50% off for the first 1,000 people to go ahead and get the ebook for this particular video. So make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you guys check out this Open Grants website. Again, this will be for the entire 2023 and honestly beyond. So we're in July currently, and we will be going July, August, September, October, November, December for 2023 into the new year. Maybe I'll do another video on this. Make sure you ask me your questions down below. I would love to answer your guys' questions and give you the best feedback possible. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me out here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you check out these other grant videos as well on other places you can find grants and great resources that you can use. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.